Okay, number 2, the equation of a curve is xy squared plus ln x plus 2y equals to 1. Find the gradient of the curve at the point where x equals to 0. So we have the gradient of a point where x equals to 0. So this is the key point. To find that, we need to find the dy dx with x equals to 0. Tapi yang bikin beda ya, yang bikin this number is a bit different is we have y. So normally we just differentiate x, but in this case we have y. So I just separate this ya. So we have xy squared, and we have ln x plus 2y, and we have 1. So for xy squared, because we have two variables, we need to use the product rule, which is u prime v plus v prime u. Let's say the u equals to x, then u prime would be 1. If the v equals to y squared, then the v prime would be 2y dy dx. Okay, once you get that, kita tinggal masukin aja u prime v, ya, which is 1 times y square ya, 1 times y square, and then v prime u berarti 2y dy dx times x. So this will become y square plus 2xy dy dx. Okay, then next we have ln x plus 2y. Okay, ln x plus 2y ini dia akan jadi 1 over x plus 2y times f prime x. Jadi we have to find the derivative of whatever function inside the bracket. Okay, so this will become 1 plus 2 dy dx. Okay, so we have 1 plus 2 dy dx over x plus 2y. Now, for 1, it is simply become 0. Yeah. So we have everything we need. So let's recombine everything. Y squared plus 2xy dy dx. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 dy dx over x plus 2y. Okay, and equals to 0. So we need to rearrange this ya, untuk mastiin kita semuanya pakai dy dx. Okay, let me move first ya, biar kelihatan lebih gampang. 2xy dy dx tetap di sini. Kemudian 2 dy dx. Don't forget over x plus 2y ya. Ini equals to negative 1 negative y square. Okay, now we have everything. Now we just need to factorize. Negative y square. Okay, once you get that, dy dx equals to negative 1 negative y square over 2xy plus 2 over x plus 2y. Okay, now we have the x equals to 0 just now, but if you check here, we need the y, we need the x. Oke, jadi kita butuh dua-duanya. Now, how to find the y? Yeah, to find the y, we need to go back here. If the x is 0, then the y is, yeah, we can just use 0 plus ln, yeah, 0 plus 2y equals to 1. Okay, so this will become ln 2y equals to what? Ln e. Yeah, as I said, if we have one log or natural logarithm, yeah, doesn't matter which one, at one side and another constant at the other side, our first initiative is to make the exponent at both side. Jadi kiri kanan kita harus taruh ln. Supaya apa? Supaya bisa kita cancel. Okay, so in this case I just cancel the ln. So the y equals to e over 2. Okay, so we take note that the y equals to e over 2. Kita tinggal masukin, ya, berarti negative 1 negative y square, that means e square over 4, because the y is e to the power e over 2, and then divide by 0 plus 2 over e. Oh, this one I think, oh, this one I have to divide by x plus 2y. Sorry. Ya, karena pas kita move, ya, if we recheck again at this part, oke, ini kalau kita move dia harusnya ada over x plus 2y-nya. Okay, so over x plus 2y here, it will be minus 1 over e. Okay, because 2y is 2 times e over 2. Okay, so we have this. Yeah, if we simplify, this will become negative 4e. Yeah, negative 4 only, sorry. Negative 4 over 4e minus e to the power of 3 over 4e. Okay, then you divide by 2 over e. We can just cancel out this, and this, so this will become 2. Okay, this will become 8, sorry. Ya, jadi soalnya kan 4 divided by 2, that will become 8. Okay, so this will become negative 1 over 8. I take out negative 1 over 8. And then e to the power of 3. Okay, this will become plus 4. Okay, so that is the final answer. Okay, maybe I just explain again about this one. Yeah, so we find the common denominator, which is 4e. Then that's the reason that this part will become 4 over e. Then this part, because it has to cross multiple with e, it become e to the power of 3. So both of them have the same denominator, 4e. Then you divide by 2 over e. Okay, that's the reason you get negative 1 over 8. Because the e we cancel, then the 4 and the 2 you just multiply together and become 8. Okay, so this is the final answer, negative 1 over 8 times e cubed plus 4. That's final answer.